I like to get a workout in every day, no matter what. I like to try to break a sweat. And I know I'm not breaking a sweat later because I'm using an air fryer. And those are supposed to be super easy. And it's gonna make my food taste like it's been deep fried. I love it. Pressure cookers like this Instapot are all the rage these days, but today I'm using a different gadget for my cooking. Can you come get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Out with the pressure cooker, in with the air fryer.
Here you go, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. I now feel like my mother. I'm using an air fryer today. This is supposed to be a handy dandy way to do the frying without a big pot of oil. I'm Katie Lee, and here's what I'm eating now. Air fryer chicken tenders with a hot honey mustard sauce and crispy Brussels sprouts with teriyaki. I'm air frying some of my favorite foods, chicken, Brussels sprouts, and fries. But before I do, be sure to subscribe. All right, let's get started with the main event, chicken tenders. Who doesn't love a chicken tender? I've got a bag full of them here. You can buy them at the store already cut in tenders, or you can just get a breast and cut it into slices. Buttermilk. So buttermilk is great with chicken because it tenderizes it. And I've got some hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, pinch of salt and pepper. I remember in high school, we loved chicken tenders. And when it was Chicken Tenders Day in the cafeteria, everybody would race to get there. Now just kind of mush it all together. So the hot sauce mixes in with the buttermilk and the Worcestershire and salt and pepper, and it's all coated. That's gonna go into the fridge for a couple hours to marinate, up to overnight. Lucky for me, I got one that's already done. I'm gonna make a quick coating out of some nacho cheese chips. I'm just really going for all of my high school favorites today. Oh, Gus, I'm sorry, these aren't doggy treats. These look great. I'm gonna put them into a dish and mix them with some panko breadcrumbs. And it needs just a pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. And just mix it all up. Okay, and now I'm gonna coat my chicken. The chicken comes out of the marinade, let any extra drip off, and then right into the crumb mixture. And just really give it a nice coat and into the bottom of the air fryer. An air fryer is basically like a small convection oven, so it uses the air underneath to create this little convection oven. All right, I'm gonna coat these four in here with a little bit of cooking spray. I'm doing 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them and do another 8 minutes. I got the first batch of these chicken tenders out of here, and now it's time for the second. If I can get this thing open. There we go. Ooh, okay. I think I need to have a little bite.
Wait, hold up. Can you push the plate though?
Okay, okay, ready? Ready?
Yep.
I need some veggies to go with these. I've got some Brussels sprouts quartered up here. I'm just gonna coat them with some olive oil and a little onion powder and some salt and pepper. And now these go into the air fryer for about 12 minutes, and I'm gonna stir halfway through. In the meantime, I wanna look up #airfry and see what everybody else is making. Donuts? No, that's one I didn't think of. That's creative. That's one of the best things about social media. You always can get on and see what other people are doing and get ideas. Gus, what should we fry up next? My Brussels sprouts are done. Oh, look at them, they're really crispy. And you know I gotta have a little sauce on here, so I've got some store-bought teriyaki sauce, and I just added to it some grated ginger, garlic, and a little splash of rice vinegar to zhuzh it up a bit. And of course, you know I had to fry up some French fries. Or should I say air fry some French fries. Look at this. Now, if that doesn't look like a feast, I don't know what does. I'm gonna start with a Brussels sprout. Oh yeah, I'm getting in here with these French fries. I mean, look at that. That looks like it came out of a deep fryer. I am real happy with this. I gotta take a little story. Look at this. Brussels sprouts, fries, tea, chicken tenders, Looks like I'm really going at it today, but it was all made in an air fryer. All right, I'm really digging this air fryer, and I'm gonna just have some quiet time here in the kitchen, eating all my air fried goodness. Air fryers are all the rage, so I got my hands on one and fried up some of my favorite foods. Be sure to subscribe to Food Network for more episodes of What Would Katie Eat?